So I was trying to figure out why I was getting so much more traffic on my sneezing video than any of my other videos. And I mean, like, yeah, of course. Okay, hold on. Anyway, yeah, so I was trying to figure out why that video is getting more traffic. And, after my cousin looked into it, he found out that there's like a whole community of people, guys, that like watching girls sneeze. I'm a little, I'm not judging you guys out there, but it's a little weird. It's, it's a little weird. I mean, I enjoy a good sneeze, but I don't understand why you guys want to watch other people sneeze. Please explain that to me. Please, like. Anyway, I don't know if what's the sneezing challenge? Because I don't really go on the internet as often as people might think because I upload on YouTube. But I don't really search things up. This is what happens when I decide to not film in my car. I don't have it with me right now because I am not home. Yeah. Yeah, someone please explain to me what the sneezing challenge is. My cousin looked it up for me, but it didn't help me at all. So I just want to know what that is. So maybe I can do it for you guys. I feel kind of weird thinking that it's some sort of fetish, and I don't want to turn people on like that. Haha, you can see the house I'm at in my glasses. Don't try coming look. Don't try to come look at me, because you'll never find this. This is nowhere near home. Yeah, so just let me know what that is. This video sucks.